Well, the condo market has seen a bit of a slowdown heading into the spring. There are, though, some pretty compelling deals out there if you want to make a move. So joining us with a snapshot of the GTA condo market is Carrie Lysenko, the CEO of Zoocasa. Good morning, Carrie. Really nice to see you.
Very nice to see you as well, Courtney. What a dramatic entrance.
Yeah, it was dramatic. At least there was some great music there. Let's start by talking about what you're seeing in the market right now. Typically in the spring, there is a little bit more activity. Are you starting to see that when it comes to condo sales yet?
Not yet. Not surprisingly, there's quite a lot of uncertainty that we're dealing with. I know that you're talking about it a lot on here as well. And so, sales, what we saw across the country have fallen 9.8% month over month in February. And we're still seeing kind of a bit of wobble as we go into the spring. As you know, the Bank of Canada announced an overnight lending rate decrease last week. So we're down to 2.75 overnight lending rate, which does position it really in a positive way for buyers to enter the market. And we do have, especially in the condo market, as you said, we have a glut of inventory, especially in certain neighborhoods within the city.
Yeah, let's talk about those neighborhoods. I understand the downtown area, you're seeing quite a few condos listed.
Right now, the downtown area and Liberty Village represent 30% of all of the available condo inventory in the city. And so we're seeing a sales to new listing ratio under 13%, which is almost unheard of. It presents a really positive opportunity for buyers to negotiate, especially in those areas. Regent Park, St. Jamestown, and Corktown, also over 800 listings currently available in that area. So again, a really positive market for buyers to potentially negotiate a deal.
Yeah, it sounds like perhaps something to take advantage of. And when it comes to condo listings, are you seeing more like one bedrooms, two bedrooms, three bedrooms? What seems to be really popular with people trying to sell right now?
Yeah, I mean, we see obviously a lot of one bedrooms because that is simply we have a lot of inventory in the city for one bedrooms. However, two bedrooms, those with a den, from an investment standpoint, that is always going to be more attractive for resale, as well as just living conditions and having the opportunity to maybe expand, get a roommate, get a partner, have a baby. So it just gives you some of that flexibility when you're looking at your first home.
And that's kind of the reality, right, Carrie? I mean, a lot of people want to get into the housing market in Toronto, but a home might not be affordable, so a condo could be an option.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And more so than we've ever seen before is just the availability of inventory. And I think that's the part that's really exciting for buyers to get into the market is just, we're not looking at bidding wars right now. We have agents who are putting in really what they think is, a bit of a Hail Mary offer. And those are being accepted. So you never know. Best to kind of get out there. You can go to zoocasa.com. You can look at some of the available inventory. As I said, there's lots out there, literally thousands of condos on the market in the GTA, and take a look. You'll never know what you find.
Yeah, it's always good to do that research. Lastly, Carrie, I'll ask you where you are seeing the sales right now. Where are the condos quickly being snapped up?
Not surprisingly, in the higher demand areas that we normally see in the city, York Mills, Bridle Path, Hogs Hollow, Rosedale, Moore Park, all the way kind of going down into some of the, kind of more popular areas like Leslieville, Parkville, Upper Beaches. Those continue to be in high demand and really represent a lower days on market when you look at the total overall kind of makeup of the city.
Yeah, it's going to be so interesting to see what the next couple of months look like too, right? Because we know some buyers have been, and sellers, people have been waiting to see what's going on with interest rates and whether we will see the activity again. So for anybody looking for a condo, I guess now is the time to start checking them out, right?
Now's the time. Yeah, our lending rates have never been this low since the fall of 2022. So take advantage.
All right, Carrie Lysenko is the CEO of Zoocasa. Thank you so much, Carrie, for your time. We appreciate it.